It's quite big and heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have recently purchased a soundbar for my television, and this is Sonos Arc. So without wasting too much of time, let's do the unboxing.
First of all, I am quite surprised with the packaging. The Sonos Arc comes in a nice and strong box with a special locking mechanism at the corners. To unlock, you need to slide the button to the opposite side. It is available in two colors, black and white. And I bought this from Sonos website. Inside the box, you will find the Arc soundbar wrapped in a nice soft paper cloth. From the first impression, it is very sleek in design and a bit heavy. Also in the box, you will find a user manual, a power cable, HDMI ARC cable and an optical adapter. Let's unwrap the soundbar. From the first look, the soundbar build quality looks amazing and it looks very premium. It is sleek and stylish in design with minimum connectivity options like HDMI and network cable. At the rear, it also comes with two screw holes for wall mount purpose. However, you need to buy those separately. You can find the link in the description below. Coming to the performance, Sonos Arc features 11 performance driver speakers for crisp high, dynamic mid-range and a powerful bass. Because Arc is so slim, it can be placed on top of any furniture, or with the help of wall mounting, you can wall mount it. Sonos Arc comes with a Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa built-in. So friends, here is a quick demo of Sonos Arc with Dolby Atmos. Overall, Sonos Arc is amazing soundbar with value for money. And if you want that extra bit of bass, then also go for Sonos Sub-Gen 3 subwoofer. I am planning to buy the subwoofer in the next couple of months. And the biggest advantage of Sonos, you can buy the speakers separately and add it in your network. This adds more flexibility. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all in this video, and I will see you in the next one.